Adele DIY. So today, I'm going to teach you how to make some really cool DIY lip gloss. But before we get started, we have some special guests. Hi!
I'm Calliope.
I'm Hayden. I'm Adele.
And I'm Laura.
Now, let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is tell you what you need to make this DIY. We need some Versatile base for the lip gloss, some coconut oil to make sure that it's super moisturizing, and also everything will be linked down below. Some glitter, cool pigments to just add some color and design to your lip gloss, some scents and flavor, cute containers to put your lip gloss in, a syringe, and some eyedroppers. So the first thing we're going to do is taking our TKB Versagel, and we're just going to put a little bit of this into our bowl. And then we're going to take about 10 drops of this liquid coconut oil. And then you can choose whichever scent you want. I'm going to be using this coconut flavoring. And I'm just going to put about 2 to 3 drops of this into my mixture. Just go ahead and mix your mixture, and you can add whatever coloring or cosmetic glitter that you want. For the pigment, just if you want a lot of color, add a lot, and if you want a little bit, add a little bit. They don't really, at least my pigments don't have a ton of pigmentation, so I always like to use a lot. But do whatever you want to do, fam. If you do decide to use glitter, make sure it's cosmetic. I went ahead and added some glitter and pigment just to make the lip gloss look super fun and fresh and however you want it to look. With this syringe, I'm just going to stick it into the lip gloss and pull it out so that I can fill the syringe with lip gloss. You get little air bubbles, you just need to move it around. And then you probably won't be able to get it all in one pass, but you're just going to want to open up your lip gloss container and transfer it by putting it into the hole. As you can see, it's pretty messy around the sides, so taking this Q-tip, I'm just going to go around the edges and really clean it out. These containers come with this little thing that you just insert in, press it all the way down. Then you can insert your stick, and I filled it a little bit too much, but that's okay. And voila, you have a lip gloss. Now, what is an Adele DIY's lip gloss without an Adele DIY's logo? And here is my new logo, which you can learn how to make from my Adele DIY's logo video. And every lip gloss that you buy will come with one of these super cute logos and in one of these super cute containers. They're available for purchase on AdeleDIYs.com. Or if you go to school with me, you can DM me to buy free of shipping charge. And in my logo video, I used white Avery logo paper, but for this, I used clear. Wow. Ta-da! I think they look super pretty and they're super moisturizing and glossy. And it's not sticky, which is great because it's so annoying when lip gloss. I know. We just finished putting lip gloss on, but the camera person left, so now I am the camera person. Oh wait, do some ASMR. Hold on, I got you. That's like gross. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe down below. Also, if you want to be next week's shout out of the week, make sure to comment down below that you want a shout out and ring the bell to turn on your notifications. See you next week. Bye guys!